What's up, YouTube? So you see here I got a part removed, and it's the front cowl for the wiper. So it's just a plastic piece that covers this section, and then you have your wipers, one here and one over there. So it's a 14mm bolt. Take the bolt out on both of them and just pop the wiper blades off, well, the wiper arm, and it has like these holes are like for clips that holds the cowl in. So once you remove those clips, you just pop the whole piece off and wash it and prep it for restoration. So here you can see I got it washed, and I use Dawn dishwashing liquid. It's pretty good at cutting and removing grease. So it's washed, and just let it sit in the sun, let it completely dry before I put the restoration on it to bring the bring back the black. You can see it's kind of looking gray in some areas, a little faded. So I'm just going to restore this piece, have it looking new again. And then here we have the smaller piece. These pieces go in the corners, so I'm going to do those also to get one even look. So I'm going to be using the Cerakote, and this is a trim restoration kit. This is what the box look like. And I'm just going to wipe and overlap. I like to do like a 50% overlap. So let's say I start here, go like so, overlap 50%. And it comes with a lot of applicators, so we always have enough to do a job. Flip it over. Just want to get as much coverage as possible. Pretty much just keep getting the 50% overlap and get full coverage on everything. And that's pretty much it. Looking good. And what I do with the same pad that I'm using, if I see any high spots, I just kind of go over it. The product is self-leveling, I believe. So you'll see one section nice and dry, the other section looks kind of dark. But what I do, just to be certain, like this section is a little bit dark, I lightly, no pressure, I just buff it out like that, and it blends right in. So I'm not using any pressure, I'm just pretty much just leveling the product, like right here. If you look right here, you see, you can see it. Now that's gone, and that's it. Just let that cure, then put it back on the vehicle. This is the application all done. You can see the side pieces. Now the product requires you give it an hour before you expose it to moisture or driving it. So I'm going to let it sit, then I'll put it back on the vehicle, and should be good to go after that. Here we have the end result. Put it back in. It's looking brand new again. Brand new. Just got to wash the engine, clean up the rest of the engine bay, and everything is good. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.